I'm just about to go and buy the Dyson V10 Vacuum Cleaner. Let's go. No. Welcome to Mobile Minimalist YouTube channel, helping you be more mobile and better prepared with less. If this interests you, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can keep up to date with the latest content. Thanks, and now to today's video. So I'm on my way to the store. It's about 15 kilometers away, but it's a beautiful day, nice breeze. It's good to be out on my bike. I'll see you at the store soon. Alright, I'm at the shops. Let's get the vacuum cleaner. So the hardest part was probably trying to figure out how I was going to take the Dyson home on the bike safely. So I ended up using the ruckjack upside down on top of it because it was a bit too long to fit in the basket. So basically I've just been using the ruckjack to support and keep it upright so it won't fall over. And then just strapped it in. I'm not sure if you can see it. Try and saw it there or not. Well, made it safely home. The ruckjack came in handy and the Dyson vacuum cleaner survived. Time to unbox it. It's kind of opening a present, except that you already know what it is. Ooh. So we've got papers and so this is the carry bag for the accessories. This looks like it's the tube that connects the body to the head. So I guess it's the neck. It's a long neck, like a giraffe. And that would be the nozzle, another nozzle. Aha, extension hose. Oh, another nozzle. This has got something in it too. Oops. Oh, little nozzle. What's in this one? Aha, that's the charging cable. This must be part of the docking station. Yep. More paper. Aha, now this is one of the heads, vacuum cleaner heads. Aha. This is the soft one. Kind of feels like velvet a bit. Here's another one. Aha. That's the second head. What's in here? Ooh. Ah, another little nozzle tool. This is the mini motorized head. And this is the body of the machine. The engine and motor and everything. So it says it's 20% charged and to charge it fully before use. Well, we'll see if I can assemble it. This. Oh. Like how shiny it is. I have the V6 and that's about 2 years old by now. It's a bit worse for wear. It doesn't look as new as this one. So slightly different to the one I had. Well, it's time to go and charge it. So what vacuum cleaner do you own? Please comment below, or what vacuum cleaner would you like to own? And if vacuum cleaners are not interesting to you and you watch the whole video, thanks, and please comment what the last words that appear on the screen of this video are. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, you don't have to get the whole thing. I'll go in there. I don't have a selfie stick, so I'm literally